Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have one very interesting quartic equation 2x plus 1 whole square plus 15x square minus 2x whole square equal to 34x square. And we have to solve our equation for the real values of x. I will share two different methods to proceed this question. So let me write here method number 1. Here I will check our equation at x equal to 0. So left hand side will become 1, right hand side will become 0, which is not equal to each other. So we will write here x cannot be 0 for our quartic equation. Now we will be expanding our LHS using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square identities. We will get 4x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 225 x power 4 minus 60x cube plus 4x square equal to 34x square. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will get 225 x power 4 minus 60x cube. Then we will get 8x square minus 34x square minus 26x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to take x power 4 common out. So in bracket we will be writing 225 minus 60 over x minus 26 over x square plus 4 over x cube plus 1 over x power 4 equal to 0. X cannot be equal to 0. So this bracket must be equal to 0. Now we will use our substitution. Let us say 1 over x equal to y. So we are going to write our equation in variable y 225 minus 60y minus 26y square plus 4y cube plus y power 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quartic equation. Let me write here y power 4 plus 4y cube minus 26y square minus 60y plus 225 equal to 0. We are going to use rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I need to find the eligible factors of 225, which will be equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, plus minus 9 and so on. Leading coefficient is 1, so we will write here plus minus 1 only. Now we will take the ratio of constant to leading coefficient, and in this series if I will check our equation at y equal to 1, we are going to get 1 plus 4 minus 26 minus 60 plus 225. Will it satisfy our equation? No, it won't be equal to 0. Now we can check at y equal to negative 1 also. We'll get 1 minus 4 minus 26 plus 60 plus 225. Again, it is not satisfying our equation. Now next number is y equal to 3. So we'll check our equation at y equal to 3. 3 power 4 is 81 plus 4 times 27, which is 108, minus 26 times 3 square. Value will be equal to minus 234. Then we'll get minus 180. Then we'll write 225 If we'll add all the positive numbers, we are going to get 414, and negative numbers will give us minus 414. So yes, this is satisfying our equation. Y equal to 3 would be our base solution. Now we can use synthetic division method. In this method, we will write all the coefficients of quartic equation. Coefficient of y power 4 is 1, coefficient of y cube is 4, coefficient of y square is minus 26, coefficient of y is minus 60, constant is 225. We'll put one line over there. We'll consider here leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we'll be multiplying these two numbers. Base solution with leading coefficient. 3 times 1, 3. We'll add these two numbers and write over here 7. Again we will repeat the same. 3 times 7 is 21. Addition of these two numbers will be minus 5. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. Addition of these two will give us minus 75. 3 times minus 75 is minus 225. Once we will add these two, we are going to get 0. So here we have coefficients for cubic equation. So I can write y cube plus 7y square minus 5y minus 75 equal to 0. Again, we can use rational root theorem. So I will write here equation first. Let me write here equation. Let's write all the eligible factors of 75. So we can write here plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, and so on. Leading coefficient is 1. We'll write here plus minus 1. Let's take the ratio of constant to leading coefficient. So if I will check our equation at y equal to 1, 1 plus 7 minus 5 minus 75. It is not satisfying our equation. If we will check y equal to minus 1, we are going to write minus 1 plus 7 plus 5 minus 75. Again, it is not satisfying our equation. Now we can check our equation at y equal to 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 7 times 9 63 minus 5 times 3 15 minus 75. So yes, 90 minus 90, this is equal to 0. We'll say y equal to 3 is our base solution to this cubic equation. Now we'll be using SDM, synthetic division method. Here we will be writing all the coefficients of cubic equation this time. Coefficient of y cube is 1. Coefficient of y square is 7. Coefficient of y is negative 5. Constant is minus 75. We'll put one line over there. Leading coefficient 1 would be as it is. We'll write 1. Now we need to multiply these two numbers. 3 times 1. We'll write over here. Then we have to add these two numbers. We'll get 10. 3 times 10 is 30. Once we'll add these two, we are going to write 25. 3 times 25 is 75. Addition of these two will give us 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So we will write y square plus 10y plus 25 equal to 0, which is perfect square of y plus 5 equal to 0. So we have two base solutions, y equal to 3 and y equal to 3. So we can write our quartic equation in variable y minus 3 whole square, as we have two base solutions at y equal to 3. Then we have y plus 5 whole square equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule. So either y minus 3 whole square will be 0 or y plus 5 whole square will be 0. So from our first equation, we will be getting y equal to 3 with multiplicity 2. Or we can write y equal to 3 and 3. From second equation, we will write y equal to minus 5 with multiplicity 2 or minus 5 and minus 5. So we have 4 roots, 4 real roots, 3, 3, negative 5, negative 5. Now our substitution was 1 over x equal to y. So from this equation I can write y will be equal to 1 over x or 1 over y equal to x. So I will write x will be equal to 1 over y equal to 1 over 3, 1 over 3, negative 1 over 5, negative 1 over 5. So we have 4 real solutions. This is method number 1. Now we will check method number 2, which is comparatively smaller and short method with method 1. So I will write here Quartic equation first. 225 x power 4 minus 60x cube minus 26 x square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are going to split minus 26 x square. Let us split first. 225 x power 4 minus 60 x cube. Then I can write minus 26 as plus 4 minus 30. So plus 4x square minus 30x square. Addition will be minus 26x square plus 4x plus 1. Now we will rewrite our terms 225 x power 4. Then we will write 4x square term. Then we will write 1, the last term. Then we will write minus 60x cube. Then we will write plus 4x. Then we can write minus 30x square. RHS is 0. Now 225x power 4. We'll be writing here 15x square whole square. 4x square is 2x whole square, which will be writing minus 2x whole square. Then we have plus 1, which we can write minus 1 whole square. Now we have minus 60x cube, which we will write plus 2 times 15x square times minus 2x. If we will multiply 2 times 15 times minus 2 is minus 60. X square times x is x cube. Then we have 4x term, which will be writing plus 2 times minus 2x times minus 1. Product would be plus 4x. Then we will write 2 times minus 1 times 15x square for minus 30x square equal to 0. Now this is one algebraic identity. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, which is a plus b plus c whole square. So in LHS, I can write this is 15x square minus 2x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So we have to solve one quadratic equation only. 15x square minus 2x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So from here we will be writing 15x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will be using quadratic formula. Here a is 15, B is minus 2, C is minus 1. So we'll write x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. So we will get x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 2, we'll write 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 times a is 15, c is minus 1. And in denominator 2 times a. So we need to write 2 times 15, value will be 30. We'll get 2 plus minus square root of 4 plus 60. So 4 plus 60 is 64. Square root of 64 is 8. So I can write here 2 plus minus 8 over 30. So x will be equal to 2 plus 8 over 30, 2 minus 8 over 30. So 2 plus 8 over 30 is 10 over 30, which we'll write 1 over 3. And 2 minus 8 is minus 6 over 30 is minus 1 over 5. With multiplicity 2. So we have roots 1 over 3, 1 over 3, minus 1 over 5, minus 1 over 5 in two ways. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.